Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now your girl is about to attempt this baby. So right now I'm about to attempt to organize our refrigerator. So I'm gonna show you guys the before, and I'm actually show y'all like me trying to like organize and things like that. I don't know, I just thought I would film this for you guys. Why not? I've never done a video like this, so hopefully you guys like it. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe down below. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you guys the before. So let me actually fix this ring light, and I might take y'all off this tripod. I got a big tripod now, so it actually helps. I got the ring light pointed more to my refrigerator, but I'm gonna take y'all off of here. And I'm doing this more kind of like a vlog style because I don't know, it's just the easiest way I can do it. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my refrigerator right now. So when you open it, this is like the doors, not the doors, like the drawers right here. That's just kind of how that is right now. And then this is our refrigerator. So I just kind of want to like organize it a little bit. We do have like some clear bins back here that has like stuff in it. And then we also have 2 egg trays. So as you can see, we tried to organize it, make it look cute and whatnot. The only thing about these drawers in the door is like sometimes stuff can like fall through here, so that's why we was kind of putting drinks there. But I don't know, I'm gonna come up with something to put there. I have a little helper now, but this is what I came up with, you guys. So this is kind of like a bin for the kids. We got some Lunchables, some applesauce, some smoothies, and then in the back is just some drinks that we had in the door. I decided to stick them back there. And then we just got an extra jug of milk, eggs, like chicken and beef stock. Yes, it's back there. And then we got bread and bagels. The next shelf, I didn't really know what I wanted to do with this shelf, but this is how it is. I need you out, little one. Come on. But I decided to put a few more drinks here. Our coffee creamers. In the back we have some condiments. So right here we put some spinach leaves for salads. We got some mushrooms. I put some more Gatorades back there because I had a lot of Gatorades. So I just stuck some more back there. And then right here we decided to put our grapes and our strawberries together. They're already washed and just ready to grab and eat. Down here at this bottom shelf I wasn't too really worried about, but it's just leftover stuff. So we had tacos tonight, so that's meat, that's cheese, that's some tomatoes. We got some boiled eggs for salads, bacon from this morning that we're gonna eat tomorrow morning. This is some meatloaf meal we had the other night, the night before tonight. And then we just got some hot dogs. We just stuff that we put in bags I just kind of stuck over here, bologna, and then the tortillas that was left. Down here is normally onions. My mom had cut up some onion tonight, so she just left and like put the whole container down in there, so I just left that the same. And then this drawer is kind of like a snack drawer, I guess you can say. We got like some candies in there. We got an avocado. I put the cream cheese down in here because I didn't know where else to put it. And then this is like condiments that we keep that we might want to reuse, so I just stuck them down in here. Then right here, it's just some drinks, bigger drinks that don't really fit inside the refrigerator. So we got the big drinks down here. I put the milk that we're using right now right here. And then these are just like drinks for my son. That was my other son's drink, and this is also his. And then these were the last of the rest of the Gatorade, so I just left those kind of there. And these are just drinks like, you know, grab and go because they've already been opened and stuff. Then the top shelf, we have this caramel stuff for ice cream, so I just left that there. The hot sauce I left there because I use that kind of frequent. Mayos, leave that there. Pickles, and this was some jelly my mom got. So that's pretty much all right here. And then up here I just left this stuff too, and it's just stuff to cook with. That's leftover bacon grease, and this is just, of course, butter. So I think I did a pretty good job at organizing our refrigerator here. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.